Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We use the Pythagorean theorem when we're dealing with right triangles. A right triangle has to have a 90-degree angle. They will denote the 90-degree angle with a little square. It doesn't really matter if you call the left side A and the bottom B or vice versa. I usually label this side A and B for the bottom, and the C, or the diagonal side, is right here. So therefore, if we know one of the three sides, we can always find the third side. If we're looking for side A, and we know that B equals 4 and C equals 12, we can find A by using the Pythagorean theorem, again, which is a squared plus b squared, which we know is 4, equals c squared, which we know is 12. Therefore, we have a squared plus 16 equals 144. Forgot to put my square. All we have to do is solve this, so we're going to subtract 16 from both sides. We have a squared equals 128. Now, since we have a squared and we're just looking for a, we need to take the square root of 128. In other words, we're taking the square root of both sides. The square root of a squared is just a. The square root of 128 is not a perfect square, but I believe I can divide it by 4 and simplify a little bit, so I would have 4 times 32. The square root of 4 is 2, and inside we would have 32. I know that 32 is 16 times 2, so I can simplify again. Change 32 to 16 times 2. The square root of 16 is 4. We're going to take that out as 4 times what we have on the outside, which is 2. 4 times 2 is 8 radical 2. So side A is 8 radical 2.